Humans are social creatures, and we need human contact. We are not disembodied digital spirits living in living through some avatar in a digital platform, in spite of what Mark Zuckerberg may dream of. Digital technologies, they're wonderful for sharing information and providing insight into a lot of business challenges, but when it comes to human interaction, there is no replacement for being physically together. Just as a case in point, Tom, we were together, and so was Art, as a matter of fact, and probably some of the people on the phone here on the conference. We were together a month ago at the Helium Summit in Houston, and you could feel the electricity in that room, the enthusiasm, the energy. A lot of people who have not been together in person for, maybe as much as 2 years. There were about 400 people there, I believe. Think about all the interactions that occurred. There were tens, maybe even hundreds of thousands between people in that event over the course of 2 or 3 days. And all the information that got exchanged between them, all the relationships that were formed or strengthened, all the deals that got done. I mean, there's no substitute for being there.